AI, gaming, and blockchain, what do they all have in common? They're not just buzzwords. They're the power trio transforming the crypto world as we know it. AI is driving innovation, gaming is creating massive engagement, and blockchain is the backbone making it all possible. Together, they're fueling projects that are shaping the future of digital finance, entertainment, and technology. And here's the kicker: this isn't just for tech giants or pro traders. You can be part of it too. If you play your cards right, you could be riding the next big wave of opportunities that these industries are unlocking. In today's video, we're breaking down hidden crypto gems you might not have heard of, proven strategies to maximize your returns, and insider lessons to help you stay ahead in the game. So buckle up, because this journey is packed with everything you need to navigate the ever-changing crypto market like a pro. Let's dive in. Today's video is packed with actionable insights, from finding under-the-radar gems to learning from the portfolios of crypto giants like Alex Becker. If you're ready to level up your trading game, stick around because this one's for you. Let's kick things off by exploring 3 key sectors that are driving the future of crypto. Whether you're new to investing or a seasoned trader, these areas are worth keeping on your radar. AI and gaming tokens. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence and gaming intersect seamlessly. That's the kind of innovation we're talking about with projects like Super, Beam, and Neural AI. Why AI matters? AI is revolutionizing industries by automating tasks, enhancing decision-making, and even powering creative processes. Why gaming matters? Gaming isn't just about entertainment anymore. It's a massive economy, with players, creators, and developers exchanging billions of dollars annually. When you combine the two, you get a powerhouse of potential. Take Super for example. It's already gained traction for integrating AI-driven tools into gaming platforms. Beam is leveraging AI for immersive gaming experiences, and Neural AI is focusing on predictive algorithms that enhance player interactions. These projects are not just concepts, they're gaining traction and, in some cases, seeing explosive growth. If you're looking to invest in sectors with both innovation and engagement, AI and gaming tokens might just be your golden ticket. Think of these as the backbone of the blockchain ecosystem. Without them, the scalability, speed, and efficiency of crypto platforms wouldn't be possible. Layer 1 solutions like Ethereum and Solana are the base layers upon which decentralized apps, dApps, DeFi protocols, and NFT platforms are built. Layer 2 solutions like Polygon focus on improving scalability and reducing transaction costs on Layer 1 blockchains. Why should you care? Because these platforms are critical for real-world adoption. From hosting gaming platforms to powering decentralized finance, DeFi, ecosystems, these solutions are the foundation of everything else. For long-term investors looking for stability with the potential for growth, these are some of the safest bets in the crypto world. Launchpads. Now let's talk about getting in early on the action. Launchpads like Diversify are platforms that enable investors to support early-stage projects before they go mainstream. Diversify's niche: it's focusing on early-stage gaming investments, giving investors a chance to back projects during their infancy. Why it's exciting? The gaming industry is poised for another boom, and platforms like Diversify could serve as a launchpad, pun intended, for projects that shape the future. But here's the catch: launchpads can be high risk. Projects on these platforms are in their early stages, meaning not all will succeed. However, the ones that can bring massive gains, often outperforming more established tokens. If you have a higher risk appetite and want to catch the next big thing before it explodes, this is where you should be looking. Whether you're intrigued by the innovation of AI and gaming, the stability of blockchain infrastructure, or the early access potential of launchpads, these sectors are shaping the next phase of crypto growth. Lessons from Alex Becker's portfolio. Alex Becker, he's a name that echoes across the crypto space, and for good reason. His portfolio has become a case study in navigating the unpredictable world of crypto investments. But it's not just about copying his picks, it's about learning the underlying strategies that drive success. The surge after the slump. Here's the kicker: some of Becker's earlier picks didn't perform as expected right away. In fact, they underperformed. But fast forward to now, and many of those same tokens have surged in value. What's the takeaway? Timing is everything. The crypto market is highly dynamic. Just because a project doesn't take off immediately doesn't mean it won't. Success often comes down to timing, waiting for the right conditions like ecosystem launches, partnerships, or market sentiment shifts. Spotting potential versus chasing hype. Becker's ability to identify projects with underlying value, even when they're out of favor, is what separates a good investor from a great one. This brings us to two key lessons that every investor should take to heart. Tracking trends versus blind following. Let's be real, watching big influencers like Alex Becker can help you stay ahead of the curve. They often highlight emerging trends before they hit the mainstream. However, here's where many people slip up. Don't blindly follow. Just because an influencer is bullish on a token doesn't mean you should invest without digging deeper. Always ask yourself, why is this project valuable? Do your own research. Use influencer calls as a starting point, not a final decision. Dive into the white paper, check the team's credentials, and evaluate the use case and market demand. At the end of the day, no one, including the biggest names, has a crystal ball. Your own research is what ensures you're making informed decisions, not just riding someone else's coattails. Patience pays. Another standout lesson from Becker's portfolio is the importance of playing the long game. Market timing. The crypto market doesn't care about your personal timeline. Gains come when a project proves its utility, adoption grows, or major announcements create a buzz. Delayed gratification. Some of Becker's picks took months, sometimes even years, to gain momentum. But when they did, the returns were well worth the wait. So, here's the takeaway. Don't panic sell just because the price isn't skyrocketing immediately. If you've done your research and believe in the project's fundamentals, sometimes the best move is to hold. Why this matters to you. Alex Becker's portfolio isn't just a collection of tokens, it's a roadmap for navigating crypto with a balance of strategy, patience, and research. By understanding his approach, you can avoid chasing every pump and instead focus on building a portfolio that's designed for the long haul. So, what's your next move? Start tracking trends, but don't forget to back them up with your own research and a healthy dose of patience. Success in crypto isn't just about what you buy, it's about when, why, and how long you hold. In the fast-paced world of crypto, discovering a hidden gem before it goes mainstream can feel like striking gold. But how do you sift through thousands of projects to find the ones with real potential? Let's break it down into actionable strategies that separate lucky guesses from calculated wins. Go beyond the mainstream. The biggest gains often come from projects that are flying under the radar. These are the tokens that haven't yet hit the spotlight but are on the brink of major developments. Spot ecosystem launches. Keep an eye out for projects about to launch their ecosystem, whether it's a new blockchain, DeFi platform, or NFT marketplace. For example, tokens with pending utility rollouts often see significant appreciation when their ecosystem goes live. Track upcoming partnerships. Partnerships with big names in tech, gaming, or finance can act as a catalyst for growth. Projects that align with influential industries, such as AI or gaming, are especially promising. Explore developer activity. High levels of GitHub commits or active developer communities can indicate a project with real momentum. These opportunities often require you to dig deeper than the trending lists on CoinMarketCap or Twitter. But trust me, the effort is worth it. Diversify your portfolio. Here's a mistake many investors make: putting all their funds into high-risk tokens in the hope of hitting the jackpot. While the allure of moonshots is real, balance is the name of the game. 70/30 rule. Think of your portfolio as a mix of stability and high-risk, high-reward plays. Dedicate about 70% of your investment to established projects with proven track records. Think Ethereum, Solana, or Polygon. These provide a safety net. 30% moonshots. Use the remaining 30% for riskier, under-the-radar tokens. These could be new AI gaming projects, launchpad tokens, or layer 2 scaling solutions that have the potential to skyrocket. This approach ensures that while you're chasing the next big thing, you're not putting your entire investment at risk. Embrace the research process. Finding hidden gems isn't about luck, it's about informed decision-making. Here's how to do it like a pro. Analyze tokenomics, check the total supply, circulating supply, and distribution. Projects with inflationary tokenomics often struggle to maintain value over time. Evaluate the team. A strong, experienced team with a track record of successful projects is a major green flag. Don't shy away from Googling the founders and their previous ventures. Look at the roadmap. Does the project have clear, achievable goals? If they're promising the moon without solid milestones, it might be time to move on. Community engagement. Projects with active, passionate communities often perform well. Check out the Discord, Telegram, or Reddit to gauge sentiment and activity levels. Be early, but be smart. Timing is crucial in crypto. Being early can mean the difference between a 10x gain and missing the boat entirely. But being early also comes with risks. Watch for pre-launch opportunities. Launchpads like Diversify can give you early access to gaming or DeFi projects before they're widely available. Monitor airdrops and incentives. Many projects distribute tokens as part of marketing campaigns or community building efforts. This can be an easy way to get in on the ground floor without significant capital. Crypto is an ever-evolving landscape where opportunities come and go in the blink of an eye. By focusing on under-the-radar projects, diversifying your investments, and committing to thorough research, you position yourself not just to ride the wave, but to catch it early. Hidden gems aren't just waiting to be discovered, they're waiting for someone like you to find them. So, the question is, are you ready to put in the work and reap the rewards? Let's find that next big thing together. So, which strategy or crypto sector resonates with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found value in this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next deep dive into crypto trading strategies. And hey, in my next video, I'll be revealing 3 brand new projects that could skyrocket in 2024. Don't miss it, trust me, it's going to be huge.